In this example, we are going to find the value of x plus y. So before solving this example, let's learn some information that we need to solve this example. Okay, let's start. The first one, if two or more angles form a straight line, then the measure of those angles add up to 180 degrees. For example, we have an angle here. Let's say this is angle A, or this is A degrees, and another angle, let's say this is B degrees. So here, A degrees plus B degrees is equal to 180 degrees. The second one is about the vertical angles. The vertical angles always have the same measure. For example, this angle and this angle have the same measure, and this angle, let's put this mark, and this angle. These angles have the same measure. The third one is about the interior angles of a triangle. Interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So let's say this is A degrees, this is B degrees, and this is C degrees. So here A degrees plus B degrees plus C degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And this is last but not the least. Exterior angle of a triangle is always add up to the opposite two interior angles. Again, exterior angle of a triangle is always the sum of the opposite or remote two interior angles. In this case, let's say this is x degrees. So let's say these are A degrees and B degrees. So here A plus B, A degrees plus B degrees is always equal to x degrees. So let me explain the reason for this. Let's say that the third angle is C degrees. So we know that A degrees plus B degrees plus C degrees is equal to 180. A plus B plus C is 180. So here C plus, this is a straight line, C plus what must be 180? C plus A plus B must be 180. So this is A plus B. As you see, A plus B is equal to x. I'm going to show two ways to solve this example. The first way, let's find the measure of this angle. 70 plus 40 plus the measure of this angle is going to be 180 degrees. So 70 plus 40 is equal to 110. 110 plus this angle is going to be equal to 180. So 110 plus what is 180? 110 plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 70 degrees is going to be the measure of this angle. This is 70 degrees. And this is a straight line, as you see. So x is 180 minus 70, because x plus 70 is equal to 180. X plus 70 is 180, so x must be 110. So x is 110 degrees. Let's find the value of y. So these are vertical angles. So this is 40 degrees. And 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 degrees plus 100 degrees plus what is 180? So it is 80. So 100 plus 80, so the measure of this angle is 80 degrees. So 80 plus what is 180? Because 80 plus y must be 180 degrees, because this is a straight line. These two angles form a straight line. So here y must be 100 degrees, because 180 minus 80 will give us 100 degrees. So in the figure, x is 110 and y is 100. So x plus y, 210. Now let's give another way to solve this example. We can say shorter way. We know that the measure of the exterior angle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So if you see this triangle, we have this exterior angle, as you see this exterior angle, and we have this two interior angles, opposite interior angles. So x is going to be 70 plus 40, 110. and this is 40 degrees vertical angles. And as you see, this is an exterior angle, and these are the two opposite interior angles. So 40 plus 60 is going to be y. So it is 100 degrees. So x plus y is going to be 110 plus 100. 210 is the answer. Now you can pause the video and try this example yourself. You can see the answer in the description below. Thank you very much for listening.